What's up, everyone? This is Tony with ROI Crypto. In this video, we're going to be discussing Cardano taking the third spot in market cap in the crypto space, up 14% right now, and I do believe it's going to be moving upwards still. So we will be discussing Cardano and some major news around that and other huge news in the crypto space as well. Before we get started, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell if you do want to be notified when I make new crypto videos. So in this video, we're going to be discussing Cardano surging today upwards to $1.25, which is basically around its all-time high price from the previous bull market. But there's so much more coming up right now that I definitely see high potential return on profit still for ADA in the upcoming months and pretty much all of 2021. I do think we're going to start seeing a trend where people are going to start selling Ethereum and Bitcoin for ADA as well. We do have a big news article of a big Dubai company selling $750 million of Bitcoin for Cardano ADA and Polkadot. So we have some other major news in this video as well. Before we do get started, I want to remind you guys my crypto giveaway is currently running. So there's going to be $25,000 in crypto prizes in this, 25 winners of $1,000 each. This is going to be running for the next month, and basically you're going to have daily entries that you could do by just basically sharing my videos and stuff and doing simple stuff that if you support the channel you're going to be doing anyways, and this will increase your odds of winning. So for anyone that does watch my videos regularly, I do recommend participating in this giveaway. All right guys, so jumping into the crypto markets, Bitcoin has been struggling, basically struggling to pass $50,000 again. So major support level for Bitcoin is going to be 42 to 44,000. As long as we could hold in that range or higher, I definitely see Bitcoin recovering to $60,000 in the upcoming few weeks, especially as more institutions get in. We have the next stimulus package coming out. And then also PayPal launching crypto merchant payments is going to be massive for the crypto space. And that should be happening sometime in March, since PayPal did state Q1 for that. So as you guys can see, Cardano ADA at rank 3 in market cap here at around $40 billion market cap, basically at its all-time high USD value. But comparing this to the Bitcoin value, ADA is actually still much smaller than it was at the last bull run. As you guys can see, the green line is going to be Bitcoin compared to ADA. So as you guys can see, it was much higher at the peak of the last bull run. So if we do get back to all-time high Bitcoin value, Bitcoin to ADA, that means the price of ADA is probably going to be around $3 to $5. Especially if Bitcoin starts rising again as well, which I do expect since institutions are taking more and more interest in Bitcoin and the crypto space. Not only that, but we have a massive amount of things happening for Cardano over the next few months. I'm definitely not going to be selling on the merry hard fork. Like, I do expect a lot of people to be selling around the launch of the hard fork on March 1st, because this is how a lot of people invest. They buy the testnet and sell the mainnet, and we do have the merry hard fork happening on March 1st. So I'm holding out ADA for a long-term investment, just staking this for over 5% passive income per year. So a great post here from GenZod on Twitter that basically sums up a lot of things that are going to be coming for Cardano. And all of these events playing out throughout 2021 is going to be major, and this is just the tip of the iceberg. We have to keep in mind there's going to be hundreds, if not thousands, of projects launching on the Cardano blockchain once the ERC20 token converter is live and the merry hard fork launches on March 1st. That's going to allow projects to start launching their tokens on the Cardano blockchain for the first time. So quick summary here, Cardano doesn't even fully have multi-assets, full decentralization, a Coinbase listing, PayPal listing, official Africa deals, smart contracts, Plutus and Marlow, ERC20 token converter, Babel fees, Hydra, or Omega yet, along with a number of other things that could be coming. So lots of major events here, and this is just the tip of the iceberg, like I said. Just having a major listing weekend like Coinbase or PayPal can be massive as well. And I definitely see both of these listing ADA, especially since ADA is number 3 in market cap now. Anyone that doesn't list ADA is just screwing themselves out of a lot of revenue for their company. So Coinbase did announce interest to list ADA over 2 years ago now, and they still haven't listed it and have listed much smaller altcoins. And I think what they're doing here is they're saving the ADA listing for after the Coinbase company goes public. So also the Goguen mainnet is coming, and I do think Coinbase and other exchanges are saving the ADA listing for after the Goguen mainnet so they don't have to do updates as well. So I do see Coinbase listing by mid 2021 and PayPal by end of 2021. We also got a major Africa deals in the works that Charles Hoskinson has hinted are coming very soon. Smart contracts are going to be launching. ERC20 token converter is massive. Hundreds of projects going to be converting from the Ethereum blockchain over to the Cardano blockchain. So lots of major things in the works, as you guys can imagine. Another thing here, Cardano moved $14.7 billion for just $7.4 thousand in fees. Ethereum moved $13.48 billion for $26.35 million in fees in 24 hours. With proof here. So this just goes to show how much better the Cardano blockchain is. People don't want to be paying these massive Ethereum gas fees anymore, and we are starting to see that with Ethereum price starting to go down as projects like Binance BNB, Cardano, and Polkadot move up in value because these are the main Ethereum competitors. So as Cardano major updates roll out, I definitely see it moving upwards still. So I did do a video last week on ADA getting to $2 to $3. I definitely think this is possible in March, especially after the Merry hard fork, and we're getting dozens of projects announcing launching on the Cardano blockchain. They have a lot of partnerships in the pipeline as well. So like I mentioned earlier, Dubai Fund sells $750 million of Bitcoin to buy Cardano and Polkadot. Of course, there's much higher profit potential for these projects, and I do think institutions are going to start catching on to this. I'm surprised more institutions aren't taking the risk buying these smaller coins because of the massive upside potential. So the Dubai-based fund says Bitcoin is pretty useless, and altcoins like Cardano are better bet for new investors. I 100% agree with this. Something bad about this, though, is as companies start selling off Bitcoin, it's actually going to drag down the rest of the crypto space with it as Bitcoin and Ethereum go down, since most altcoin pairings are with Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I do think we're seeing a lot of people selling off Bitcoin and Ethereum for altcoins like Cardano, ADA, and Polkadot being up 1.5% today. So we're going to be seeing some major changes in the crypto space as money is moved around and different projects emerge as the dominant projects in the crypto space. Cardano is to become 50 to 100 times more decentralized than Bitcoin as well, which is massive because cryptocurrency is huge on decentralization. So we got a lot of major news sites covering Cardano now in the top 3 cryptocurrency market cap as well. Another article here on Cointelegraph. Cardano is now a top 3 cryptocurrency as ADA price soars 27% in 24 hours, leading up to that Merry hard fork. And that's just the beginning, like I said, although I do expect a small dip around March 1st or 2nd, because that's just how a lot of investors move money around. They buy the test nets and sell the main nets, like I said, but we do have other major network updates coming to Cardano, which is why it's one of my top holds throughout 2021. And I do see it being the best return on investment out of the top 10 in 2021, like I've been saying for the last 6 months. So input output did confirm the Merry hard fork for March 1st, which is huge, leading up to the Goguen rollout. The update introduces native tokens and multi-asset support, bringing exciting new use cases for Cardano. New utility to the token is huge. So another thing was speculation that Elon Musk is basically trolling Cardano and could be getting into Cardano in one way or another, maybe investing in ADA. We have no idea yet, but he kind of hinted at this on his Twitter profile, and I did an entire video on that a few days ago. If you guys want to check that out, there will be a Cardano playlist in the top right of this video if you guys want to get updated on everything going on with Cardano. So if you guys are in the United States, my top recommended places to buy ADA is Binance US and Voyager App. I do recommend signing up for both of these, and there are links in the video description. So Binance US, there has been a backup, so I do recommend doing the KYC and everything as soon as possible. And here's a tip to get this done quicker. So signing up for Binance, use a driver's license with all 4 edges and corners showing, along with a PDF blank statement for quickest verification. So if you guys have been waiting, definitely do this update and contact their support to try to get this done quicker. Also, I just started a new trading series. We're going to be flipping altcoins from just starting with $1,000, and the goal is to hit $10,000 by the end of 2021. So doing a 10x flipping altcoins. The first video, we're already up pretty good on the 3 coins we picked. So Voyager App, if you do sign up with my referral code, which I'll put over the screen here, you can get a $25 Bitcoin bonus just by signing up through my link, and they'll actually rush your account sign up as well using my link, which you can't do through signing up regularly. So I do recommend that. This is a great app. I really like the theme of it and everything they're working on. This is rolling out to Canada and Europe very soon as well in the next month or so. And they do have some other major updates, including a desktop version. So right now it's just on mobile phone. So you can earn interest here as well on pretty much all of the altcoins they have here. Just by holding your cryptocurrencies in here, you're going to be earning some pretty good interest APR. So Voyager App does have Cardano ADA and about 50 other altcoins, and they're adding new altcoins regularly. And the fees here are better than Coinbase as well. So if you aren't in the United States, I do recommend Binance.com. And if you use my link to sign up in the video description, it does support the channel and it'll give you trading discounts on all of your trades as well. So I do recommend signing up through that link. Binance.com is definitely the best place to trade. They have a very high number of altcoins, and you could stake here and do other things to earn passive income on Binance as well. So it is looking like everything's starting to recover here. We had Bitcoin move up a little bit since starting this video. Litecoin actually just went from 170 just an hour or so ago, and now is recovering to 180. So it does look like everyone's buying the dip and taking this opportunity to accumulate more cryptocurrencies, which is great for everyone that's new to cryptocurrency, not really having a chance to do dollar cost averaging. So buying the dips like this, doing dollar cost averaging is a great opportunity. If you guys want to learn more about how I do dollar cost averaging for long-term success in the crypto space, definitely check out my cryptocurrency guides playlist on my channel as well. Lots of great valuable information in there. So I do see ADA performing extremely well throughout 2021, which is why it's pretty much my top altcoin out of the top 10. I do hold a lot of other smaller altcoins as well with very high potential that I'll be talking about more on this channel as well. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell if you guys do want to be updated. Some of this information I do is very time sensitive as well. So if you guys do want to be notified, definitely hit the bell. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys found it useful. Free way to support the channel if you did find it useful is like the video, comment below, and share this video anywhere on social media or with friends and family. Also, don't forget to participate in my crypto giveaway. There will be a link in the video description with daily entries you can do, like sharing my videos and just checking in once per day gives you an extra entry. And I will be adding new entries there every day as well. So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.